Hello, scientists. All right, we are here in Digital Science Notebook, Part 1. We're going to be building some background knowledge about heat and temperature. It's important that you know these things because these are really important. Heat and temperature are really important when we're talking about climate and weather. And it's going to help you understand what the molecules that make up everything in the world are doing when they're gaining heat and temperature, or when they're gaining heat or changing in temperature. So log on to Discovery Education, go to Comparing Heat and Temperature. Okay. That is going to bring you to the Engage page. And again, you're comparing heat and temperature. If you want this read to you again, just highlight it, hit the word Speak Text. It will read it out loud to you. So either read this or have it read to you. Watch this video. If you want to define these words, or if you're not sure what they mean, remember if they're blue like this, you can hyperlink them and it'll take you to the Discovery Ed glossary. So use that if it will be helpful to you. So watch this video, read this section here. These videos are optional, but again, the more you learn, the more background knowledge you'll have, and the better you will do on your summatives. These guys are really cool. If you've never watched Mythbusters, I would highly recommend checking these out. These guys are pretty awesome. Then after you've read all that, this is where you're going to kind of you're going to see what you already know about heat and temperature. So I'm not looking for right or wrong answer. This is just to start getting you thinking about these things. So this one says, does an object that feels cold to the touch contain thermal energy? So use what you think you know about thermal energy and see what you have to say here. And again, don't worry about getting it right or wrong. Hit save or submit when you're done. This question says, what is the relationship between an object's temperature and its heat? Sometimes we think of these two things as the same, but they're actually different. So tell me what you think about that. And then in analyzing it, you're going to say which statement correctly describes the properties of heat. And you're going to select all that apply. Okay. And then lastly, can you explain what happens to an object when heat is added to it? And see what you already know about that. All right. And when you're done, hit submit and head back into your digital science notebook and finish or do your reflection. And then you'll be done with Digital Science Notebook Part 1.